Hello everyone. In this video we will see a basic walkthrough on how to use Google Calendar. First go to Google Calendars and sign in using the link in the description. Once you are on the home page, which looks as shown, you can see small view of a month. You can also change the view by clicking on the shown option. Choose the view that you would like. You can simply navigate to different dates using the small view. Now if you want to add an event or task to your calendar, simply click on a block to add an event. Type in the title, select if you want it to be an event, a task, or an appointment. Now select date or time according to your need. You can even set it to repeat every day or on selected days. You can add guests to remind people of your meeting or important event. You can even add a Google Meet video conferencing link. You can add concerned location and add details regarding the task or event. You can even personalize it as shown and can save it. And you have successfully added an event to your calendar. You can simply drag and drop it to different time periods as per your need. And that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.